Hi guys, welcome to Garrett's MEN. Today we're going to unbox this box that we got for, I won't tell you how much, but it's a mysterious box. We don't know what's in it, it's a mystery box. So we're going to open it up and see what's in there. So, let's open it up and see.
Oh,
yeah, we got cardboard.
Yay!
Some kind of Halloween thing. Trick or treat party. This.
You're funny.
HDMI adapter. Going from USB to HDMI. That'd come handy for the camera. A sports mask with filters.
Oh, sports mask?
Some more filters.
Ooh, filters.
And looks like another sports mask with some more filters. Yeah, comes in handy today. I don't know what this is, but I'll open it up and let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy.
Oh,
Hey guys.
okay.
Sit down.
I know what this is.
What is it?
This is so you can put it on your
Jumping
your foot, and you go like that. Different color means stronger. And yeah, see, like this one's real strong, and this blue one you can pull real easy. So it's got different strengths.
Ooh, that's cool.
It's got handles.
Oh, amazing.
It's an exercise thing.
Whoa. Well, now we have extra.
You can connect it to a doorknob or
things.
something. Cool.
I think
Some kind of exercise system.
I thought
Let's see.
Sit down, huh?
probably not think.
Sit down.
Behind
same.
the chair.
Okay, now sit down.
Whoa, it's different.
What's that?
Kind of.
Pink.
Some kind of jump rope, but it's made out of wire.
Oh, you jump right?
Yeah, look. Here too. But I guess it'll be fine. Just put that there. Let's see what this is.
Is it the same? Ooh.
No, I don't think so. My wife should like that because she likes these things.
This is for you, Mommy.
Yeah. Compression socks.
That would be for Mommy.
3 pairs. Okay, let's see what this thing is.
Open chimes.
Yeah, it's a wind chime. That's what it is.
That's cool.
Cool.
We
Got
can
a
put
wind
it outside
chime.
our porch. Well,
Charger. It's got the. That's a USB. I mean, not a USB. It's a. It might be a booster.
ooh, booster.
Check that out later. What's this thing?
AirPod.
There we
go.
Protect it.
Thing in the back, there is like a line on it. What is that?
Charger.
Most of your AirPods are chargeable, huh?
Oh.
Horror tattoos with some fake blood. That's all we need.
I'll use that.
Mm-hmm. What's this?
Oh.
Phone holder.
Okay. Slow down for me.
Phone holder.
I already have mine, so I don't need it. I wish it.
Hold your phone up.
That's nice.
Yeah. Or a tablet, looks like, right?
Mommy uses a phone, so she could probably.
That'll work,
use it.
huh?
Yeah, that could work for Mommy,
Yeah.
because Mommy always squats on the floor. So,
Let's
yeah.
see what this is.
Ooh, a camera.
Oh, webcam.
I don't really know. You never know until you open it.
Yeah.
Oh, instructions, I think.
Doesn't look broken.
That's tiny. Or does it extend?
Oh, very cool.
Nice little camera.
Look, take it around. Show your camera.
It kind of looks like you could
Do
hold
live video feeds.
live photo. So, yeah.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, pretty nice. It's not broken at all.
Okay. Put that over there. What's this? Drawer slide.
A drawer slide?
Looks like a
We could use that.
14-inch drawer slide.
That's nice.
Pair of drawer slides. That's okay, we can use that.
Ooh.
Here's a pretty neat little USB and a mini USB, but it looks like it's for a Samsung.
Mom,
I don't know. You're kind of nosy, ain't you? What's it?
I saw something gold.
Look at that, an old inkwell pen.
It kind of looks like that thing
Got
is Harry
different,
Potter.
little bit different things for doing different kind of writing.
You know what that would be funny? Harry Potter kind of used those things as a wand and used them for writing.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
It kind
I
of looks
wouldn't
like.
bought one, but let's see what this is.
Oh, mask.
It says disposable kids mask. There you go, Shella.
Yes. Looks like
50.
it says Christmas on it.
50 of them just for you.
50 pieces. It said on it.
Yeah, 50 pieces. Oh,
Whoa, they look so Christmassy.
pretty cool looking too.
Yeah, it's so cute. I like that.
Christmassy,
Oh,
huh?
look, they have sand on it. Look, guys, they have sand on it. That's awesome. I'll need him. I'll take him.
Okay, what's this?
What?
Gliding exercise disc.
No. You slide on the floor. So you technically go like this. You go go like.
Yeah. You pull yourself back.
I don't think I can't do that. Oh, I say go like this, like.
Okay, they're exercise discs.
Yeah, I won't be cutting this a little
Huh.
bit.
Some Elmer's kids glue sticks. 12 pack.
That's a lot.
That's pretty good. Looks like some more masks.
Mask?
Yeah. Protective disposable masks.
That's a lot of masks. What is that?
Huh.
Shaver?
Do you know what that is?
I feel like it's mommy's shaver.
That ain't a shaver, that's for dog.
Oh.
Dog comb. What's this? This looks like a circuit board.
What happens if our neighbor actually watches our videos?
Oh, look at that.
What is that?
These are power timers. You can put something on it and time it and turn it on and off.
Cool.
They're timers for any kind of electrical device. Huh?
And then go out.
No, they won't blow out. You program them, how many hours you want them to stay off. Come on. There's a set of them, too.
Cool.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
What's this?
What is it? Maybe a wood carver or something?
Nope. Anybody know what that is? It's got like springs on it.
You can think I'll use it on my dolls.
Oh, I'll comb your hair.
No.
We'll see what this
What
thing
is that? I saw something that looks like the guy was stretching it on his back.
Ah, some kind of rubber tub thing for the tub.
Who do you think?
It's even got a little
What?
hanger for it. A couple of them in case you mess up.
That's funny.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
Whoa, wait,
You
wait.
get in the tub, you can scratch your back.
Scratch your back? Oh my gosh, this feels so
That's pretty nice.
nice. I love that feeling.
Probably.
Ugh. If I could
Got
really
two
like,
things to put it up in the shower.
it kind of feels like.
Ah, that's pretty good. What is this thing? Oh no, some more of that blood stuff. Last thing we need, more blood.
That's funny.
Math tools.
It looks like
The compass.
a compass. Ooh.
Fine point safety compass with a protractor. For years, you ain't playing with it in the house.
Okay. I mean, it's cool. But the question is, does it work?
Yeah. Just try it on and see. That comes on.
Whoa, came on.
So, oh, look. Look, it's a phone. You gotta put a SIM card in it. It's a watch phone.
Is there games?
And it came right on.
It's real.
Bye. Okay.
All you gotta do is put a SIM card in, you got a watch phone.
Yeah.
Oh, they gave us a big kiss with it.
A Hershey
Big
Kiss.
Hershey's Kiss.
Oh, that looks delicious.
1942. Oh, expired a couple of weeks
No.
ago.
I'll be using that for a YouTube later video.
What's this?
Scent bombs.
Excuse me, girl.
Oops, sorry.
We'll have to read that. Maybe these ain't stinky bad bombs. Maybe they're meant to Oh, see, that's what it is. We're outside
We
to
can-
lure the deers to your house, to your hunting area.
Why would they give us that? We're not even hunting. Why?
What's this? Another blood thing.
Oh, yeah.
How many of those things do I need? What is this
What
thing?
is that?
What's this name?
Yeah, and then they can give us something. What?
A whole bunch of magnetic
Our
magnetic
family is in 4,
pads.
so we can use that.
That's a good idea.
Camera's on me. Oh, what's that?
Shelf brackets. The package right here. Got enough for 4 shelves. Can make a bookshelf.
Ooh, bookshelf.
Oh, here's another filter and mask. And one more item in here.
Da-dum.
Ice cube trays with covers. Just 2 ice cube trays with 2 covers. That we need. I'm gonna open it up and look at it. See what it looks like. I hate the ice cube. We got the ice maker, but sometimes that ice maker made in USA. Thanks. It says right on top. See it? Oh, these are nice because they're like rubber in the bottom, so you can push out the cubes easy too. And they got the cover so you don't get nothing in your cube trays. Huh, that's pretty nice. See what it looks like on this side? You can turn the camera. See what it looks like on that side. It's got a nice little cover. Pretty nice. I'll open this up so you can see what's in there. It's making you go, what you call it over here.
That's me.
You're so worried about the Halloween thing.
I don't even know what it means.
Lights.
Oh.
Packets of lights. Little LED lights. You have batteries in it.
Punch.
Little pumpkin lights. You were so worried about them. Now she got pumpkin lights.
Just
All right,
pumpkin
guys.
lights.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, ring the bell,
And click the notification bell.
and click her notification bell.
Yeah. And watch our other videos.
Yes, watch our other videos. Thank you.